Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add background music to Google Slides. Alright, the first thing that you need to do here is to open up your Google Slides and your Google Drive. Now what you're going to want to do next is click on the new button right here and file upload. Alright, then locate the music that you want to upload. Like for this one, like for this example, this one, the slow life. Open that up and wait for the upload to finish. As you can see here, it is now added. So what you're going to want to do next is go to your Google Slides and hit on Insert, Audio, locate the music that you just added. All right, this one, and click on Insert. All right, as you can see here, it says creating audio. Just wait for it to finish. And as you can see here, the process is done. If you want to set it to automatically play, just go ahead and click on that. If you want to hide the icon, just tick on this checkbox right here. And if you want the audio to repeat itself, just go ahead and click on loop. And that's basically it. Now, when you start a slideshow, the audio will start as well. All right, as you can see here. And that's basically it. Now, quick tip here, if you want to start the music from the first slide, just go ahead and make sure to select the first slide. All right, if you want to make the music play on the fifth slide, you can add the music right here. Click on the fifth slide and hit on Insert, Add Audio. All right, that's basically it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.